Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to customize ringtone and notification sounds in Realme 14x phone. So we need to go to settings. Next in settings we are looking for sound and vibration options, and then we need to scroll all the way down, and here we have ringtone and alert sounds. So we can change ringtone using this menu. We can pretty much pick and choose from the preset sounds, or we can go to the this device option and we have recordings or music that are on our phone to set a custom ringtone. The same we can do for the notifications. We can change notification sounds. Here we have a few default options, and we can also add a custom one using this menu here. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.